KDE 6.4 brought in this wonderful ability for window tiling, which was fantastic, except for I didn't know how to use it. And then there was a comment from this person who hopefully I'll remember to put their comment right up there, and I won't like it completed at the very beginning of the video, went off and told me how to do it. So let's have a little bit of fun with window tiling real quick. All right, so I have my secondary monitor, which is going to look a lot like my first monitor. So we're going to turn off my main and magical. It looks almost identical. The only thing that you can see that changes is the amount of things on my taskbar. So let's go here, shift and tile. We're going to delete these. And then we're going to split left and right. And then we're going to split top to bottom and top to bottom. And that's it. The next thing that we're going to do, and I need to switch over to my Windows keyboard instead of my Mac keyboard to do this, is we're going to go ahead and open up Discord. All right. Nothing horrible? Nope, nothing horrible. Sweet. I don't have to blur anything. Join our Discord. It's down in the link below. I don't ever have anything I have to blur. So I don't know why. Okay. So we're going to hold Shift, right? And we can select where it goes. There's that. And then the other thing that I like to do is I like to have a terminal open at all times. We're going to go ahead and throw my terminal there. Then we're going to go ahead and launch Steam. And we're going to go ahead and throw my Steam right over here. And then last but not least, usually I have my OBS right there. So that's how you use the tiles. Really easy and simple. I just wanted to make a quick video showing that off. I think that's actually pretty darn neat. Thank you to I don't have your name pulled up right now, but thank you for telling me how to do that. So if anybody else is confused as to why how that works, there you go. That's the answer. I helped you out, and they helped you out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be afraid to dive onto the Rift and hop into the Discord. Just wanted to do a quick video. Oh, one last thing. After a restart, I opened everything up and it went right back where I left it. So that's pretty darn cool. All right, that was all that I wanted to share with this thing. I'll see you guys in the next one.